Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us. And you must be knowing that Forex sentiment meter shows the position of the retail traders, not the institutions. Okay. And if we look at our beloved gold, then we can see here 77% retail traders are in the sell position right now. Okay. And what is the average selling price? Average selling price is 2446. This is the average selling price. Okay. And only 23% are on the buy side. Okay. And this is the chart of gold. If you trade on gold, you must be knowing that gold is super bullish right now. Gold is heading towards 2600. So my dear friend, there is a very popular saying in the market that trend is our friend. So if you have followed your friend, if you have followed the trend of the market and you are on a buy position, then probably you have made a good amount of money, good amount of profit. And if you're still having a buy, you need to continue. You don't need to exit because market is bullish right now, and at least we can expect the market to remain bullish for the next 1 or 2 days, at least till FOMC. And if you're stuck on a sell right now, if you belong to the 77% here, then my dear friend, okay, you are in a very critical spot because gold is heading towards 2600. Nobody knows what will happen around 2600, whether gold will show a complete trend reversal, whether gold will just come for retracement. It is very hard to understand. Okay, but if market continues the upside, then there's a high chance that you will lose your whole capital. So my dear friend, please be careful. If gold continues the upside and if you're having a sell, try to exit because you may lose your whole capital. Okay, if you have holding capacity, that's a different story. That's your personal decision, but most of us do not have the holding capacity. That's why I'm saying. Okay, so if you have a buy, so you can continue at least till 2600. If you are on a sell, try to exit at retracement. Clear? And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold trades a record as dollar and yields fall ahead of expected US interest rate cuts. Gold analysts call for new leg of rally. Okay, so this is the ongoing market sentiment. Market is expecting the upside to continue, and the whole market is waiting for the upcoming FOMC, which is coming on Wednesday. This is the economic calendar, my dear friends. We can see on Monday we have nothing. On Tuesday we have retail sales. On Wednesday we have FOMC. And before not before FO, till FOMC we can expect the present market sentiment to remain. So positional traders, swing traders, those who have buy, those who are on a long position, continue. Those who are stuck on a sell, try to exit. If you have a holding capacity expecting a reversal from 2600, you can wait. Okay, but if market breaks 2600, please exit because things will be horrifying. Okay, and why 2600? Why we are thinking or considering 2600 to be a resistance, and the answer lies on the options data here. We can see here this is the 2600 call option here, and we have 9000 contracts standing at 2600. We have an addition of 704 contracts at 2600. So 2600, yes, we can consider that it will be a resistance. See, gold, when any market, okay, when any market makes a lifetime high, then it becomes very difficult to determine the next resistance because technically we have nothing. In case of index also, if a market is at a lifetime high, then obviously on the left hand side of the chart there is nothing. Okay, so obviously technically it becomes very difficult for us to determine the next resistance, as a result of which, okay, we can use this type of data for as of now. Okay, we can see the options data is showing that we have a resistance around 2600. So right now the problem is market sentiment. Market sentiment is super bullish. So if gold continues the upside, then obviously at 2600 there will be a little resistance. Market will be facing some selling pressure. But if market sentiment is very bullish, then obviously we will not get the trend reversal. Maybe we will just get a small retracement and market will go up again. So around 2600, the battle will be dangerous. Either we will get a retracement so that market can break 2600 again, or we will get a trend reversal. Only time will tell. Okay, so let's wait and watch. This is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. Okay, and if we look at the weekly chart, okay, let's look at the higher time frame first. As we all know, for the last 3 weeks, gold was in indecision. Gold was forming spinning tops and dojis, but this week market has formed a huge, massive green candle here, and we have been discussing about retracement, but I don't want to waste time because gold is not in a mood of retracement right now. Okay, so those who are still expecting gold will be coming to 2100 2200, okay, I think, okay, only God knows whether gold will come or not. We are retail traders, so only way to survive in this market is to follow the trend. Right now, gold is bullish, so it's better and safe for us to be on the buy side only. If there's a trend reversal after 3-4 days, okay, we will have to follow the trend again. Flexibility will be important for us. Okay, and technically, yes, retracement is due, but nobody knows when the retracement is going to come. So making money is the most important thing instead of catching reversal trades. So let's try to follow the trend of the market right now. Okay, so on the daily chart also, we do not have much information. We can just see that market is standing at a swing high. Okay, but market has proved us wrong many times, where market is just going up, up and up, market is not coming down. So let's try to follow the trend and make some money. And this is our beloved hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that we have many lines here. No need to worry, I'll explain one by one. But before I proceed, I would like to mention that, my dear friends, from next Friday onwards, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is starting, the Hindi one. Okay, so if you're interested, you are most welcome to join. The link is in the description. The workshop has been designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. At first there will be 3 consecutive classes, 3 class एक साथ होगा, and there will be 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates here: Hindi classes, English classes, and weekly classes. Okay, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. No hi-fi stuff like SMC, FVG, fair value gaps and all. My dear friends, we will only deal with those things that we need to learn to make money in the market. Okay, and you will be getting these things like free risk management guide, lot size calculator for our normal account, lot size calculator for prop firms. If you are interested, okay, this can be useful. And we will have a special session for Indians, because trading, forex trading in India is little critical. As I said, 1 month support means I will be adding you to a WhatsApp group where you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and yes, we also have sessions from time to time. And you will also be a member of a Telegram community where you will meet traders from all around the world. It's a lovely community to meet people. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and I record everything because of time difference, many people cannot attend. And the best part is the fees is only $20 or rupees 1500 for 7 days workshop and 1 month support. But yes, if you're struggling, then obviously you need a longer period of time. And if you need personal sessions guidance, then you can sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support as well. Everything is very affordable here. You can see in lifetime support, you'll be getting 6 personal sessions from my side to clear doubts, ask questions, and you will also receive lifetime WhatsApp support from my side. And these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. Okay, so let's go back to gold again. So after making a high of 2585, we can see that gold closed at 2578. This is the LTP, or last traded price, and this is the highest price of the market. Okay, now where we have the trading opportunities. Okay, so first of all, okay, let's draw some FIBO here, our beloved FIBO, because in this type of market situation where a market is super trending, FIBO is very helpful. Okay, and in this situation we can see that the first level is around 2568. We have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level, and the second level is coming around 2556. Okay, this is the second level, and the third level is coming around 2550 to 47. These are third level. So these are the FIBO levels where we can expect the market to take support. Okay, but you must be wondering, Avilash, hardly market has come for retracement, but still, okay, we are discussing about these levels because market opening is going to be important and nobody can predict how the market will open. Usually we don't get to see much volatility or crazy amount of ups and downs during Monday, but market also give us surprises. So if market opens like a normal Monday market, then obviously we will not get to see the face of these three levels. But if market drops with heavy volume, if we see sudden selling pressure, anything may happen. Okay, we need to be ready. Then we can look for a bounce around these three areas. Okay, if market goes down also, okay, then it will be just a technical stuff. That's why we can look for bounce around these three areas. You can see here 2568 is the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. 2556, 2555 FIBO 38.2 plus, previous support around this area, and we have support around this area. We have the 50 moving average coming up. So 255 2550 47, this particular area, the third level, is the best level, but chances of market coming to third level is very less. Okay, now let's discuss the other opportunities. Okay, now let me zoom in. Okay, let's go back, not go back. Okay, let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now see, we are on the 15 minutes time frame. So these levels or the reliable levels are little far away, so we are looking for immediate opportunity. So if you're a scalper, okay, if you are looking for quick profits, then you can look for support around 2574.50. This is one level, and also you can look for a 2569. Okay, oh, sorry, not 2569, 2572, sorry, 2572. These are the two levels where we can look for a quick bounce as a day trader. If you're wondering why we're considering these levels, then let me show you. Okay, see, we are using FIBO again. Okay, and we can see we have FIBO 50% retracement level at 2574 area, and we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level at 2572 area. Okay, and we can see around 2572 area, we also have the 100 moving average coming up that will be providing dynamic support to the market. Okay, so if you're confused, okay, let me wrap it up. Let me make it simple. If market goes down with heavy volume or because of a correction, then we can look for support around 2568, 2555, 2556, or 2550, 2547. These are the three levels. 2550, 2550. Okay, this area is the best area, but chances of market coming to this level is very less. As a scalper, okay, if you see the market is very low on volume, which is quite natural or normal on Monday, then as a scalper you can look for a quick bounce around 2574.5 or 2572 area. Okay, so considering the present market situation, we are looking for buy positions only, no sell position. And if market gets very volatile, if you see that the market is bullish again, just like Friday or Thursday, market is going up again, market is not coming for retracement, in that case we can look for a buy at breakout above 2586. But already market has given a considerable amount of up move, so please be careful while taking a buy at 2586. Follow proper risk management, because after 100 pips or 150 pips, market will face some resistance around 2600 area. And what will happen at 2600? God knows. Maybe we will get to see a trend reversal, correction, or market will just, I don't think so market will break at once. Okay, market will face some resistance. Okay, but whether there will be just a retracement or trend reversal, it is difficult to tell right now. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. Be careful, follow proper risk management. Market has been crazy, and have a lovely weekend with your friends and family. Spend some quality time with your friends and family because they are more important. Bye bye. Take care.